the race for profit and efficiency, many companies are making a startling choice. Replace human workers with artificial intelligence. It's not about ethics. It's about dollars and cents. What does this shift mean for workers, communities, and the very fabric of society? Let's explore why businesses are leaning toward AI and at what cost. Why are companies increasingly favoring AI over human employees? Simple. Because AI operates on a simple principle: maximize profit with minimal costs. Humans, while valuable for their creativity and empathy, they come with limitations. They're slower than machines. They face social and personal issues, family problems, mental health, social conflicts, and this can affect productivity. They are prone to errors, especially under stress or fatigue. They require sick days, vacations, breaks. They also work best within narrow climate ranges or environments. AI, on the other hand, it offers faster processing and decision-making, dependability, no sick days or emotional breakdowns, or so they say. Fewer mistakes, especially in repetitive, data-driven tasks. The ability to work continuously, 24/7. Functionality across a broader range of environments and conditions. For businesses, this comes down to a no-brainer. AI reduces costs, it increases efficiency, and maximizes output. But behind the numbers, what are we losing? Millions of workers face displacement, replaced by algorithms and robots. Communities that thrived on local jobs see their economies shrinking. Families struggle with unemployment and economic insecurity. The social fabric frays as the human element in work, the relationships, the purpose, disappears. And it's not just about jobs, it's about identity, it's about dignity, it's about belonging. Here's the core paradox. While AI may be more reliable and cost-effective, it lacks consciousness, empathy, moral judgment. Should profit be the sole driver of such profound societal change? Where do we draw the line between technological progress and human values? Are we comfortable replacing human workers? Workers who have hopes and fears and lives, replacing them with machines that do not. As AI continues to evolve and take on more roles, society faces some tough questions. Will economic pressures outweigh the social costs? Can we find a way to balance profit with humanity? What responsibilities do corporations have toward displaced workers? How do we ensure that technology serves us all, not just the bottom line? The shift towards AI workers, it's not just a technological trend. This is a moral choice. Are we going to prioritize efficiency and profit at the expense of human dignity? Or can we find a way to integrate AI that enhances human work, preserves community, and upholds our shared values? Because in the end, progress is not just about machines, it's about what kind of society we want to build. With luck, we can choose wisely. All right, I think that's it. Again, thank you all for coming in here today. You guys can get out of here. All right. But feel free to visit the comments section on your way out if you found anything useful. I hope you'll take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. You can always ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, this is Katatu saying, so long from the channel at the end of the universe.
Thank you.